Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you how to claim today 1 million daily reward on hamster kombat for today 28th July 2024. So click on daily cipher. So the first alphabet we are looking for today is letter B. So to get the letter B, just tap on this logo and hold it for some seconds and then tap on it 3 times continuously. So let's go guys. 1 2 3. So the second alphabet of the day is letter R. So to get the letter R, just tap on the logo once, tap and hold it for some seconds and then tap on it again. And the next alphabet now is letter I. So to get the letter I, just tap on the logo 2 times. The next alphabet now is letter D. So to get the letter D, we need to tap on this logo and hold it for some seconds and then tap on it 2 times again. The next alphabet is letter G. So to get the letter G, tap on this logo and hold it for some seconds 2 times and then tap on it once again. So guys, for those of you who want to join my Telegram channel, click on the search box, type Ali Niger like this. So that is my Telegram channel guys, Ali Niger community. It has 47,000 subscribers as of today, 28th July 2024. So just click on it and then click on join. So the last alphabet of the day is letter E. So to get the letter E, just tap on the logo once. So that is all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we upload new video on this channel.